My name is Aled Roberts and I'm the Liberal Democrat Regional Assembly Member for North Wales. The region spreads from Holyhead on Anglesey through to the borders with England in Flintshire and in Wrexham, apart from the constituency of Meirion Dwyfor, which is now in Mid and West Wales. My regional office is based in Johnstown near Wrexham, and I hope that you feel able to contact me either by phone or using internet and email. Alternatively, of course, you can turn up by appointment at the office at any time. I've been involved in politics for 20 years when I wanted to do some difference for the village that I represented on Wrexham Council, and I'm still currently a councillor for the area. I was also leader of Wrexham Council for the last 7 years. Since coming to the Assembly, I've become very involved in children and young people's matters, which were my interest on the council itself, and I also have responsibility for the party for the Welsh language. I hope during the time that I'm here at the Assembly that I can help make a difference for people's lives, not only in North Wales but across the country as a whole. If you have any problems or any issues where you think the Assembly can make a difference, then please feel free to contact me.
The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales, and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.